Time for almost said a final check of your forecast. I guess I'm ready to wrap up the midday show. Let's pause and get a check of our forecast. When you head outside this midday, maybe for lunch, a lot of clouds out there. Kind of gloomy at one point this morning.
Yeah, a lot of clouds. Starting to see a few showers and storms bubble up, but also it's the humidity. That's the issue if you're having lunch outside. Just be ready to sweat it out on your lunch break because we have a muggy feel in place and that'll continue right through the afternoon. But that muggy air mass is the storm fuel that's going to lead to pop-up showers and storms through the afternoon and evening, especially for the higher elevations. Here's the view of Maryville right now, seeing a few clouds, but still plenty of breaks of sunshine. It at least dry for most of the area, but a few showers and storms have started to develop. We've had several move through parts of southeast Kentucky all morning long, and that'll continue through the afternoon. Starting to exit Harlan County, moving into southwest Virginia, but clipping some of Hancock County and Hawkins County as well. On the plateau, a few downpours, one near Crossville, another one just north of Sunbright, and a new one that's developed near Oneida. And we'll see additional ones develop through the afternoon. 77 currently in Knoxville, approaching 80 though in Loudoun, Tellico Plains, Gatlinburg as well, and 73 in Sneedville, where we just had some rain move through. Soupy for now, and definitely a higher humidity kind of day, and that'll continue for the next several days as well. Low to mid 80s expected. These temperatures are several degrees above average for this time of year. We really should be in the mid 70s and not necessarily dealing with the muggy air mass that's in place. Through the afternoon, you can see additional scattered showers and storms will develop, especially for the plateau, southeast Kentucky, and the Smokies. There's a chance for a few storms to drift into the valley as well, but I do think in the end the valley ends up being our driest spot this afternoon. Into tonight, rain coverage will decrease. All these storms are really going to fizzle close to and beyond sunset, and will be quieter in the overnight hours. For tonight, we'll be back down into the low 60s, another mild start for tomorrow morning, similar to what we saw this morning out the door, and then expecting highs to climb once again. Low 80s, a muggy air mass, and another round of scattered showers and storms. In fact, there's a chance we have a shower or two out the door tomorrow morning. We had a few this morning. Better opportunities to rain arrive during the afternoon. Still some scattered showers and storms will be around, especially for the higher elevations. And then we'll watch for storms to our west try to move into the area. They will weaken some as they move through, but still there's the threat for some gusty to potentially damaging winds as some of these storms move through tomorrow night until we do quiet things down briefly into Friday morning. Severe threat for tomorrow, green shading's a 1 out of 5, yellow's a 2 out of 5, so slightly better ingredients to the west. Really the storms, if they're able to maintain their strength from Middle Tennessee, that's what we'll be watching for. Damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, some locally heavy rainfalls possible as well, and even some small hail. We'll also watch that low-end flood risk as some of these downpours continue to move through the area. Additional chances for rain on Friday. That rain chance is probably later into the day, into Friday night, and we're going to have some rain linger into Saturday as well. The latest trend for Saturday is trending on the soggier side, so pretty confident we'll have rain around in the morning, but there is an opportunity that that rain really slows down and it could linger for most of the day, and it would be a gloomy, cooler kind of day because we'll be in the low 70s for highs that afternoon. We will start to dry out some for Sunday. It will be cooler. Morning lows will be in the 40s Sunday morning and Monday morning, but early next week, temperatures will start to moderate, and it does look like we'll dry out as well.
All right, thank you.